Alright, so the ingredients that we will have today is I have my whole roasted chicken. I have garlic salt. I have the original Creole seasoning, which is very good. Paprika, olive oil, pure ground black pepper, Weber kicking chicken, onion powder. I have it all mixed into this bowl, and I have a thermometer. And we will be using the Power Air Fryer Extra Large. I love this air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you should go get one. It's good for chicken, seafood, steak. You can literally cook everything in this air fryer. I love it. So the chicken is already washed with vinegar and water. I let it soak, cleaned it off real good, and it's already patted dry. So now we're going to add our seasonings. Alright, so I already warmed up the air fryer. So we're gonna pour some olive oil all over the chicken and rub it in. Rub it in. Rub it in. Alright, it's nicely coated. And now we will season our chicken. You want to make sure you get the seasoning all over because you don't want bland chicken. And I will leave a description of all the seasonings that I use in the description box. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because more cooking recipes and makeup tutorials and different lifestyle videos will be coming your way. Okay, I'm going to rub this in. Just like so. Put some seasoning inside the cavity of the chicken, like so. Going to flip the chicken over and season the other side. Alright, so our chicken is well seasoned, so now we're going to put it into the air fryer. I have the extra large Power Air Fryer. So we're going to put it breast side up, just like so. So just like this. It's gonna go inside the air fryer. Alright, so we're gonna put this nice seasoned whole chicken into the air fryer. I'm going to turn the air fryer on, put it on 360. Nope, wrong. 360 for 30 minutes. So we're going to let that cook down, and then when it's done, we're going to flip it over to the other side and let it cook on 360 for another 30 minutes. And then after, we will check the chicken with this thermometer to make sure that the temperature is correct, because chicken, you want the temperature to be 165. See? So we'll check that after. Alright, so the air fryer is almost finished. It has 1 more minute left. And then we're going to flip the chicken over so we can cook it on the other side. Chicken is done. Look at that chicken. You see how nice and crisp it looks? Alright, so now we're going to flip it over. I don't have the gloves to flip it over, so I'm going to try it with these tonsils, or whatever they're called. Let's see. Yeah. Just like that. All right, so now we're gonna cook it on the other side. So now we're gonna cook it on the other side for 30 minutes on 360. All right, and I'll be back soon. All right, so the chicken is finished. You see that chicken? It's nice and crispy and got some nice color to it. So now we're going to take the thermometer and check and see what the temp is. Remember, for chicken it should be 165. For chicken it should be 165, so I'm going to stick it here. Well, let's turn it on first. Right. It's on. I'm going to stick it here. Ooh. It's way over. So it's supposed to be 165, mine is 178, so it's definitely done. I'm going to transfer it over to this pan, and then we're going to cut a slice so you can see the inside. Hold on. Let's get close up on the chicken. I'm going to cut it right down the middle. You see those, you can't see the juices coming out. Oh, you can hear the crunch. You see this meat? Alright guys, and you see the finished product. It's well done, nice and juicy. And this is how you cook a whole chicken in an air fryer. It's quick and easy, and it's not that many things that you have to do. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.